American singer-songwriter Maya Piata performing her unique brand of sunshine soul in Aotearoa.
The crowd at the Aotearoa Square in the Spiegel tent was incredible. They brought so much energy and so much life force into that tent. I really feel like we raised the roof. We literally raised the roof. Everybody coming up and their smiles and running up to the stage and dancing. I'm so grateful that people got up and got dressed and drove out and showed up, because that was a night that I'll never forget.
Born in New Orleans, her whānau had to flee their home when Hurricane Katrina hit in 2005, forcing them to relocate to Dallas, Texas.
I was recently reminded that I'm a refugee. I was like, oh my God, yeah, I am. I was displaced and my house was a mile from the levee. So, you know, it literally got washed away. Thank you.
Great.
Maya has a rich cultural heritage, African American, Apache Native American, and she's also one of us, from her mum's iwi, Ngāti Tūwharetoa.
I know that my lake is Taupō, my mountain is Tongariro.
Is that all up on stage? Does that all come out in your music?
Absolutely, there's no choice. It's just like my face. I just carry it and it shows. And also Creole and English and German. Something that I've learned from the Māori people today is that it's not about being half Black and half Māori and half Native American and half Creole and half white. I just am.
I'll probably take a pinch more vocals, just a splash.
Hers is an impressive whakapapa.
I'm happy. Thanks, guys.
Princess Piata has a ring to it.
It does.
But it comes with much responsibility.
Her great-grandfather was Ngāti Tūwharetoa's last paramount chief, Tā Hepi Te Heuheu.
I know that he is a peace leader. I know that he gave his life to make his people's lives better. That's where I feel most related to him. Always doing my best to give and share. It's coursing through my blood, from paramount chiefs to hardworking, strong Black people who had to pick cotton, which is a tough job, to my grandfather who was the first colored train conductor. I'm proud of that. I just want to do my best to represent well and tell my truth as well and add on top of everything, all of my ancestors, everything that they've built. My job now is to add mine on top to make our mountain just a little bit taller, or a lot.
It was local TV show Homai Te Pakipaki that bridged the cultural gap for Maya and her mum back in Texas.
Homai Te Pakipaki was our lifeline to New Zealand and to the Māori accent, Māori faces, Māori songs. That was our time where me and my mum, we would sit together. I love anything singing, and she loves anything Māori. And so that was our special time that we would spend together. We'd get our little nibbles and we'd have our little wine and our bubbles and we'd sit and we'd enjoy it. When I came last time 10 years ago, when we landed, they surprised me with an audition to go on Homai Te Pakipaki. I was like, what? We're going to audition? And to get on the show and then to get in the studio and get on the stage and share my voice and show my face. It really awakened this desire for the dream that I've always had about pursuing this path. And it gave me a taste of my dream life.
Baby, but oh, your eyes are making it all worthwhile.
your parents met while your mum was in the Kahurangi Māori dance theatre touring the States in 1994
Aye.
and met your dad. Tell me about that love story.
It's extremely special just from two people from the opposite sides of the world meeting for a flash of time and deciding to sew together and stay together. Creating life, me and my brother. I'm so grateful to come from such intensely passionate, wonderful, bold people.
Do you ever look, Maya, at New Zealand with all the kind of craziness in America at the moment? Is this something in your future that you might come and live here?
I would love that. I've always felt that way. I don't want to go back to America because New Zealand is paradise for me, but there's so much work to do in America, even though it is scary right now. It is. I have a national tour happening right now till next spring where I'm going around to over 20 colleges in America. And I think that what I have right now, even my songs that I wrote in college, I feel like it's nutritious food to share with them. That's gonna be a healing thing and I'm really excited.
You one day want to do a full immersion like your reo and tikanga and all things Māori. Is that on the cards as well?
Yes, absolutely. I'd love to deep dive into my culture here, learn more, and add to my tool belt, especially so that I can pass it on if I'm privileged to have children. I want to do what my mother has done for me.
Some quick fire questions. All Blacks or Dallas Cowboys?
All Blacks.
Ketchup or tomato sauce?
Watties. Hands down, I'm drinking it. Yeah.
What are you watching on Netflix?
Bridgerton was cool. Yeah, it's like interracial, but also it talks about kind of strife between it. And I think that Queen Carolina is really amazing in real history because she was the first Black queen that brought beauty and gardens and art to the kingdom. And that's what I want to do.
Hangi or American barbecue?
Ooh. Barbecue.
Oh, okay. The
Yikes.
whānau are going to be like angry.
Prove me wrong, though. I'm excited for that.